All right, made it up top. Sun's broken through. It's a beauty. Got some inversion down in the valley. Not sure how long it's going to be sunny for though, because I think this is kind of rolling in. So we're going to try and get the group to head over to that chute that got the better of me last year. So we'll take a look at it and see what we think of maybe trying it again today. So, well, there she is. We're going to, once everyone else gets down here, it looks like they're just coming down now. We're gonna head up and around to the top and kind of evaluate the snow in the chute, see what it's looking like, and then we might just have to give it a try. We will see. Okay, so just doing some evaluating here at the mouth of the chute. I uncovered that rock. I kind of knew it was there. It was covered in snow. So if we can go between that rock and this rock, right up through here, there are some trees not too far down here. But yeah, if you can get up to kind of to where that rock there is and then turn right a little bit, I think we'll be golden. But we are going to head all the way around to the top and work our way down a little bit and kind of scope it out. Kind of midway in the chute here. It's funny how small this chute looks on camera. It is definitely a lot bigger than it looks. But anyway, just over to the right here, we've got a big boulder. Although ideally we'd like to stay away from that right side. Come right up through the middle, basically over this tree. A little bit tough to say. I stuck my arm down in there. There's no boulders in there, but the snow is definitely a little on the low side in here. And up at the top here, we'll do another evaluation because it's definitely pretty rock hard up where Danny's standing there. So, it sucks because I want to do it so bad, but I really don't want to repeat it last time. Yeah. We'll see. Nice. So, after taking a few test runs up to the chute, I think I'm gonna try it. I am like shaking already. I'm so nervous. But the guys are on their way up here to film for me. I'm gonna head back down, put the GoPro on, and fingers crossed.
We're all good to go up here.
All right. That wall came at me quick. Yeah. Okay, so my excuse that time was I came into the chute a little off balance and wasn't able to make the corner right away, so
more boost, buddy.
and more boost, yeah. Good news is there is traction in here this time, so I might have to try it again. We'll see, but depending on how getting this thing out goes. But yeah, she's a long ways down.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, it's going slow.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
That was a lot less violent
than
last time.
A little harder to break it.
Oh shit.
How's she looking down there? How far did it tumble?
Oh, good save, man. Alright, we're gonna take the old phaser for a rip. We'll see if I can handle the raw horsepower. What a good unit. Alright, made her down. It's 6 o'clock. Everybody's just finishing up loading up here, and yeah, that was a pretty good day. Definitely disappointed I didn't make it up the chute. I definitely, like, I wanted so bad to try it a third time, but I was like, I've already pushed my luck twice, and the sled is still fine. We managed to get it down the mountain, or down the hill, without wrecking it twice. So I just figured, you know what, I'm okay, the sled's still okay. It was 2 solid attempts. Decided to quit while I was ahead, I guess you could say. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was probably a bit of a short one, I'm thinking. I don't think I got a ton of footage, but yeah, nonetheless, it was a good day. Fun was had by all, and we're gonna be heading out shortly here. So be sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.